Welcome back to week 6. I'd like to go over your assignments for this week. So the first thing you'll need to do is the reading quiz based on the reading assignments. Make sure that you are annotating and using your book to take the quiz and the multiple chances as well to do your best. The second thing is a discussion, and this week it's just a reflection on how the semester's going so far. Taking some time to reflect on what's going well, what else you want to get out of the course, etc. And the last thing for the week is a draft of Essay 1. Remember last week you turned in an outline and you will be getting my feedback on that outline. From there you can turn it into a paper. Remember that the first draft can be rough, it doesn't have to be perfect. Take some of the pressure off yourself and just do your best to write your best paper that you can. Keep in mind that for the draft, I do want you to have a works cited page and in-text citation. So I have 2 pages here that discuss this. First of all, I have some websites that show you how to format a works cited page and also how to cite a work in an anthology, which both of the articles for our paper are. The other thing that's really important is I actually have created the works cited page for Essay 1 here that you can actually put into your paper. I just want you to understand how to format things and set them up so that in the future you know how to do this. Secondly, for the in-text citations, remember that every time you use summary, paraphrase, or quotation, even if you're using your own words and it's someone else's idea, you have to cite the last name and the page number. Remember also though, if you have a signal phrase, which you probably should before all of your source material, that gives the last name of the writer, all you need then is the page number. You don't have to repeat the name twice. So make sure before you draft, before you turn in the draft, you have the in-text citations and the works cited page, so I can take a look at them and to provide some feedback before you revise for your final draft. Have a great week and let me know if you have any questions.